My name is Albey Cuesta Gutierrez. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about I interest you a question which is better for learning, studying alone, studying you friend. First of all, I am seeing studying alone is better because I can concentrate more. When I study by myself, I don't get distracted easily. For example, I also can organize my time and focus on difficult topics. On this other hand, studying give friends also has advantage. When we study together, we can share ideas and help each other. For instance, each I am do understand something a friend can example is young. I simply you. In my opinion, both methods are useful independent on the situation. If I need to prefer for I am important is I prefer studying alone.